There's a bird in our house. I kid you not. I have been hearing this noise off and on all day. I didn't know what it was, and I just got the crap scared out of me because I think him flying out of the utility room. And now my cat is going crazy. Look at that. How did it get in my house? I don't understand how it got in my house. Did it come in from the utility room through the dryer somehow? Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Nobody's gonna believe me. I've got video evidence though. Look at that. I'm telling you, you better get ready for some noise if that thing comes flying at me. I'm gonna run. Look, it looks menacing, doesn't it? I'm telling you, it's about to be cat food. If it doesn't watch out. You see? There's the bird. Scared me again. See, I'm a little winded because I got the crap scared out of me. Oh my God, I'm shaking. And I know it's just a bird, but when it's in your house and it's flying at you, it's not so cool. And then there's this. Ellie, what is it? Are you gonna catch the bird from Mama? And I called my husband and he says, open a window. But how do I get my cat out of the bathroom and then open a window without getting attacked by the bird? I don't know if it'll attack me. He better not be crapping on my clothes. Oh my gosh. I don't like this. I'm gonna go get my other cat. I just do not like this. Oh my God. Did you see it? Did you see it? It moved. I don't like it. I like birds when they're in the sky, away from me, not when they're in my house. Actually, I don't like birds that much at all. Maybe that's why I'm so freaked out. Look, they look evil, don't they? Look at it. It's evil looking. They say that ugly birds are male. Oh my God, this is funny, but it's not. Oh, yeah. Buffy. Buffy, come here. Buffy. Get him. You got in the wrong house, bird. You came into the wrong house. We have cats. Holy crap. Sorry. Oh my gosh. All the hair on my body is standing up. Ugly birds. Ugh. Okay, I think I'm calming down a little bit, but they're not. Look at them. Oh, did you hear that? Yep, still in the closet. Still there. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Where's it at? Get it, Clark. Clark, get it. Because Mommy's waking out. Hear it? Where's it? Oh yeah. Nope. He looks pissy. I need to go open the window in the bathroom, but I'm just a little too scared of a little tiny bird. Look at it. We have Cruzy trying to take a nap. And poor baby can't take a nap because mommy's waking up over the bird, and I can't leave Cruzy because the bird's in the bathroom. Get it, Clark. God. Look at that. Evil. Okay, now this open.
I'm at my eye doctor appointment and I get a FaceTime call. And Taryn's freaking out because there is a bird in the house. I don't know how it got in there. I'm at work. She doesn't know how it got in there.
I was downstairs.
She was downstairs. So upstairs in the utility room is a bird. And when she called me, she pointed the camera towards her sewing room and it's up on a shelf, just looking down at her. She's freaking out and finally home. So now I'm gonna let the bird out of the house.
Good luck.
Good luck with that. We'll see what's going on. But chances are it's over here somewhere because Buffy and Ellie are over there looking up in the corner on my side. So I'm going to go ahead and get the screen off. We're going to shut this door and see if we can get this bird out of here.
It's up there.
Okay, we know where it's at now. It's up on my side, so.
Look. I found the bird.
Oh, I see it. I see a little beak. It looks like a grackle. I'm going to set my phone right down here so I can take the screen off. I know what it means. Alright, what you going to do? You can get out of here, because the thing's going to go when I let it go. You better shut the door, it's going to fly into the...
The neighbor's daughter's really mad because we're messing with the windows. Because what happened to our bird?
It finally flew out.
But in all the excitement, I hit the button and away with the video.
Away with the video halfway through. I was saying, what are we going to film? There's nothing that ever happens. And sure enough, something happens. A bird happens. I'm going to go investigate how the thing got in here. I'm not sure how it came in here. Unless, because Ellie likes to go outside into the backyard and kind of explore around the backyard. It's possible that when the door was left open for Ellie to go out, that the bird kind of found its way in without nobody knowing. So, who knows?
Do you think it could have come in somehow through the utility room?
I don't think so. I'm going to go look. The only way I can think of it coming through the utility room is if there was either a hole in the dryer vent or the, the water heater's not gas. So,
That ceiling thing.
I don't know. Let's shut Emmy up. Okay, I'm in the utility room now, and I was going to investigate where the bird may have come in. At first, I thought it may have something to do with the water heater, but that's an electric water heater, so there's no vent there. The only access to the outside would be the drain catch pan for the water heater. So, looking around, I thought, well, I'm going to check the dryer, and sure enough. And there we have the hole. And on first inspection, it doesn't look like it'd be big enough, but that thing can squeeze through that hole. And being that it's a flexible foil type hose, yeah, there's no doubt that it came in through there. Which also means that the vent on the outside of the house is missing the protective cage or the protective louvers that keep stuff like this from happening. So, because of that failure, we had a nice afternoon. It was funny
It was
on my
scary.
part. But anyway, I'll get this patched up or even get a new hose today or this weekend. And possibly get something for the outside too, because I don't want that to happen again. Because if a bird can get in, then that means other things can get in.
A wasp.
And we don't like stingers and sticky legs at all. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog as much as I did. So if you did, like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, and subscribe to our vlog, and hopefully we'll have a lot more of this in the near future. Thanks. Bye. So